All right, y'all. It is May 12th, 8:29 p.m. A minute for the bell rings. QQQ is kind of giving us a little bit of a something to look forward to here. So we got eyes on QQQ to start the morning. Huge gap down um, from the close. So let's see. Yeah, huge massive run up. Look at the hourly here. From an hourly standpoint, yeah, it's a strong uptrend there. Leaning bullish, of course. A massive push down could just be another higher low. We'll see. Looks like it bottomed out already. Not, all right, bell rings. I think QQQ might run off at the bell. That's how strong I feel about it, but we may need to wait on a pullback, honestly. See if we can get another pullback or a run up of some sort. We'll see. We'll keep eyes on it. Um, Give the market some time to chill. We'll check on everybody else real quick. Let's see. See what we got. Nothing during the regular hours. Pre-market players already are gone, so we got nothing on the watch list right now that meets the criteria, which is solid, which is fine. No issues with that. Um, yeah, yeah, I think QQQ is running its course. I think it's got some. Yeah, I think it's got some work to do. I think we'll be a little more patient. Them trades at the bell, I'm always skeptical. Too much volatility early in the morning. I'll keep an eye on QQQ though. I'm not opposed. Just make sure we get the dates right. Make sure we get the time on the dates right. Looking at 22nd. It's about 10 days out. Probably do calls. We only want it for one contract, just about. It's gonna be interesting to see if we get some type of pullback on QQQ. It's already bottomed out some here. It'll be interesting to see. In a sideways consolidation for sure. Right up in there. So a little mess. Let's turn it up just a little bit. A little channel almost. Yeah, tight channel. I see everything kind of fits in there a little bit. See if it tries to break through this area right here. It may. I think it's still got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to be done. Gold looks decent. Like the way gold is looking. Nah, it's not enough on gold. Looks decent, but not enough. Not enough volatility on gold. Make sure we don't settle. Not the way Vista's looking. It's yeah, we got a lot of work to do from a volatility standpoint. Yeah, the QQQ's got some work to do. Like IWM is giving us some good play here. I kind of like the way IWM is performing and moving. Volatility looks really solid on IWM. Let's check in on everybody else. So IWM is really giving us some good volatility behind this move to the downside. So what's Vista? It's a lot of good, interesting stocks that are moving pretty solid. That is interesting. Oh man. Mm. Yeah, I think IWM is giving us a solid reaction. I'm curious to see how it continues to push down these next 7 minutes. So we'll switch focus to IWM. Yeah, that's a pretty hard move there. First 5 minutes. Pretty hard move. Volatility looks good. We'll keep eyes on it. WM's got a little work to do, but QQQ, yeah, I don't believe in that move for QQQ. Divergence is pretty clear. I just this is already looks maxed out. I just think QQQ is not gonna get much of a. Yeah, I just think QQQ is like maxed out already. And I think everything's at the top, so I'm not gonna focus on QQQ. I stay locked in on IWM. Long term chart looks terrible. Divergence is pretty clear on QQQ though. Let's get IWM again. Yeah, IWM still has a lot of work to do. We'll see if it doesn't. So volume looks pretty dead on QQQ. Yeah, I just think this move on QQQ is not gonna be long lived. I think it's a very short move. I think it's the breakout moment we've been waiting on here. You get this move for like 2 seconds. Yeah, I think it's maxed out. I think it's maxed out. Don't fall for it. It's early. It's early in the day. It's early in the day. Have some patience. I think it's maxed out. I don't think that's a fair enough move. I don't think it was enough of a pullback to justify it. I think it'll keep running up. That's what's so crazy about it is I think it's one of those moves where it's like unfair that it'll work out and I'll be mad about it working out. But it's so yeah, let's have some patience. We're good. Let's look at everybody else real quick. Let's have some patience. It's the one thing about trading that kind of gets me irritated a little bit. You'll see a move, but it'll look so maxed out. I think everybody's gonna take it. I can clearly see the divergence. Volatility's not all the way there. Volatility was early this morning. Said three. Oh yeah, 709. You're not gonna be in this one long at all. Um, it's more of a breakout trade. We get in at 1193, up 1%, just about. Yeah, we'll probably be out of this one in like another 3 minutes. Let me detach this because I want to be able to watch. Up 2%. Okay. Yeah, we're up 2%. This ain't gonna be long at all. Up 3%. Yeah, we'll probably be out of this by the time this candle closes. So probably like the next 50 seconds or so. Keeping an eye on it for sure as it begins to kind of lose a little steam. 10 seconds. Volume is increasing. That could be a good sign. All right. This is probably the start where we want to kind of get out here. The up 1%, 12.7, scooting up a little bit. 12.40. Let's see if we can get out at 12.40 as it's up. Extremely volatile. Kind of pushing down a little bit there. Yeah, it's extremely volatile. Price is moving so crazy. We'll see if we can get out. 12.23. That price is moving so fast. Might be too high. Price is moving so crazy. At this point, we just kind of want to get out at a good price. And it's dropping like crazy. Up. Not gonna be able to get out. 12.20. Price still dropping. We're up 3%. Ooh, price dropping like crazy. Price is moving so fast. Got in at 11.93. It's moving so insane. 12.14. Price is moving so fast. We can't get in and out of that. Up 2% right now. Jeez. They won't let us out. Until price starts moving, we can't get out for real. And you kind of want to get out of this. You don't want to stay in this. Price is moving further and further down. 12.04. Price moving increasingly down. Now we're at break even. Oh man. It's a- Nugget. Oh. We're at negative 3%. Yeah, this is moving crazy. Oh man. Yeah, market's moving crazy, crazy. Down 4%. Everything's starting to turn. We're at break even for right now. Oh, we've got the stop loss at break even, but it is crazy how fast it's turning. It's turning deadly. Definitely should have been out of this by now. How much time we got? A minute? We got a minute left. Yeah, that is a heavy turnaround. This is going to continue to push down. 45 seconds. It's not exhausted. 30 seconds. This phone kind of want to break even. Extremely volatile. Everything is overcooked. Yeah. Lesson for today, we gotta get out a lot faster than that. Um, gotta get out way faster than what we did. It's time to get out. Take the L. Let's get out of there. We're here. 40. We'll take the L. Everything's switched. This has changed. We're at 11:40. Should be able to get out now. Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah. Okay. We got out at 11:48. We took an L today. Um, what did we lose? 45 bucks. How much did we lose? No excuses. We just lost. We didn't get out fast enough. We were up and it went away fast. So I'm not gonna make no excuses for this loss because this is a trade you shouldn't have been in. So this was definitely on me. There's nothing about this trade that went. We lost 3%. That's not terrible. Um, Great way to recognize that the trade ended. Almost 4%, 3.77. So I'll take that. I could have did a lot better. Getting out of that trade. I think I waited a little bit longer. I recognized that the trade was done. Definitely a trade I shouldn't have been in. I knew it was short-lived, but got caught. So I'll make a part two for this video and see if we can break even at all. But yeah, I definitely got caught on this candle. I knew I needed to get out. Just didn't get out fast enough. So um, I'll make a part two. So this video is not as long.